Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here. And man, it has been a super long time since I've been able to fly the Mamba 60E. I had some damage to the wood on the inside, and I think I got it fixed up good enough to fly. It's not like new, obviously, but I'm excited to get it back in the air. Let's get it up there and see how I can do. All right, guys, we got just a light breeze coming out of the north here, and maybe a little bit towards the church. I got her in high rates. We're flying with a 6S 5000 Spectrum Smart Pack. All right, let's see how it does. A little bit of a climb there. So the repair that I made might have got the nose up a little bit. Bring this around and see how it looks. It feels like it's rolling to the left a little bit. And still climbing. Like I said, it's been quite a long time since I've gotten to fly this. She still likes to tumble. Oh, that tree. Woo, that was so close. It's still, you can see it's rolling to the left. That's snow. Hands off the sticks. I'll level it back out and show you guys what it's doing. Here we go. A little off. Oh, all right. A little bit of throttle off the sticks. Climbing and rolling to the left. So it could be partly the rudder. So let's try that. A little bit of right rudder. Give it some power. We don't want to stall it while I'm trying to mess with the trim here. It's definitely left rudder. Being in high rates, I got all kinds of authority though that I'm able to control this, but having to give it a lot of right rudder and down elevator to hold the knife edge to keep it nice and straight. And I don't think you're supposed to mess with the trim that much when flying with the Aura, so I'm probably gonna have to do some mechanical adjustments. I don't think it likes big changes in the trim. This airplane, even though it's been crashed and I've had to make repairs and it doesn't want to fly straight now, it's still a lot of fun to fly. It's a little depressing. I want a new one now since it's not flying perfect, but not bad. Still not bad. Push it up from the other side and around. Anthony May, he likes them outside loops, so let's get him one. Oh, it's a little bit off. See if we can get it straightened up a little bit on the next time around. Using that rudder, boom. Roll it invert and push it over the top. Give it a little room here. Now pushing the throttle. Look good, much better that time. Using that rudder again. Actually stalled it. And I'm rolling it this way because of the way the rudder's reacting, or the way the rudder's pushing the tail. It's liking the roll that direction much better. We got a little bit of cloud cover, so there's not much sun today. And with the daylight savings time ended, it's getting dark here by 5:30 now, so big old tumble, roll it, there we go. Only going about half throttle on these passes, guys. Nice. You can tell that I'm just letting it kind of do its climb coming out of these passes, and you can see I'm fighting that roll. You're just wanting to climb and roll, but that's a nice thing with all the authority that the Mamba has. I can make it do what I need it to do just using the sticks. Oh, that was not doing what I was telling it to do. So it might be a little bit touchy on the landing, guys, but I'm hoping it'll be a nice landing for you guys. I do have the battery all the way up as far forward as I could get it. I did set my timer to 5 minutes, and it's starting to count down. So we'll bring it in, I think like right over the scoop out here in the parking lot. We'll start out there somewhere and bring it in. Try not to get all the way to the lamppost. Using some rudder to help push it around. Easing it down here. Okay. We'll take it on around one more time. Felt like I was going to hit that parking block. So let's not get it clear over the scoop this time. We'll bring it in a little more straight and just try to get it as smooth as possible. Again, fighting the rudder on this landing. Try to hold it nice and straight. There we go. I'll take it. So it wasn't a perfect flight out of the Mamba today, guys. We'll make some adjustments with the controls. Such a fun airplane, guys. So guys, the Mamba by Flex Innovations, I've been super happy ever since I bought the first one, the 10, and now the 60. And man, they're just awesome flying airplanes. Of course, like I've pointed out, I have crashed this one a couple times, and the 10 I crashed until it couldn't be flown anymore. But so happy with the purchase, and these airplanes are so much fun. Guys, if you guys are interested in this airplane, I will have it linked to where I bought it from Main Hobbies down in the description box. You guys are awesome. I appreciate all the support and all the great comments. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.